is good, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be drawing Ye, aka Kanye West, celebrating a Grammy win. Ye won a couple Grammys this year, so I wanted to celebrate his victory. I'm starting off the sketch with blocking out large shapes and trying to get my proportions correctly. Once I'm happy with my sketch, I can start to clean up my line and make revisions as I draw. I also drew a cube in perspective. I wasn't sure about the angles, so drawing basic shapes in the perspective you want your object or your character to be in is extremely helpful. Now let's jump right into the video. Once I have a clean outline and I have a clean drawing, I can start to add some color, starting by blocking off larger shapes and then adding a few shadows. Now for this character, I'm only going to stick with shadows. I'm going to add a few highlights. I was also not sure about the background, so I'm keeping the background minimal because I want the main focus to be the character. And there you have it, Ye accepting a Grammy, even though he wasn't there. I wanted to highlight this moment and capture it with a Kanye drawing character design. Now, if you would like to see more videos, like the video, hit that bell notification, subscribe, and I will see you next time.